I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmad Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will share with you Einstein theory of relativity, wormhole, warp drive, and Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, and the throne of Bilkis, which was brought in the court of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, the Solomon, within the twinkling of an eye, the example of extreme case of time dilation and travel by faster than the speed of light. As we know, Albert Einstein got PhD in 1905. He developed special theory of relativity and published at the same time in 1905, and he was knowing that a special theory of relativity is applicable only for inertial frames moving with constant velocity, but not for accelerating one. So therefore, he introduced the general theory of relativity in 1916 through the contribution of Egyptian astrophysicist Ali Mustafa and Hassan Kamal al-Sabah of Lebanon. In general theory of relativity, he showed the effect of gravity, and through his thought experiments, he showed that gravity and acceleration both are same. He showed that the more is the gravity, more will be the space-time curve, and it will create shortcuts. So general theory of relativity and these shortcuts are nothing but wormholes. Wormhole is a tunnel with two ends which joins. In short, wormhole joins the two parallel universes. Just like two ends of tunnels are joined, similarly two parallel universes are joined through the shortcut, and that is called wormhole. And today we know these wormholes are virtual particles. They cannot be detected in the particle accelerator. In the CERN Large Hadron Collider, the particle is made to move with the speed of light, due to which the mass increases. In order to keep the speed constant, large magnets are used. So here in this case, when the mass increases, time dilates. So Einstein's gravity, that is, more is the gravity, more is the space-time curve, and more is the shortcut created, that is, the time dilates. In the light of this, scientists today have come to know that these wormholes are created and destroyed every moment in the space. NASA's have reported this, and it is found that these wormholes are too tiny, 10 raised to minus 33 centimeter in size. To travel through these wormholes, larger size is required. But scientists are positive that today they are theoretical particles. In future, God willing, they will overcome it and practically will prove it. Further, they say that it is possible to travel in the future through wormholes. And in the past, the advanced civilizations might have traveled. It is pointing towards the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascension, Miraj, all the seven heavens, as well as the Queen of Sheba, that is Bilkis' throne, which was brought within the twinkling of an eye in the court of Hazrat Sulaiman, peace be upon him, that is Solomon. So, in short, this wormhole technique can be used, and it was used in the past, as the scientists are positive about this, to travel even faster than the speed of light. The warp drive technique, in this technique, the vehicle need not move at the speed of light. In fact, the vehicle itself is expanded from backside at the speed of light and contracted from the front side. So person reaches to the destination even without movement. So I repeat it, in warp drive technique, it is expanded at the speed of light from backside and contracted from the front side, so that it reaches the destination before the light reaches, Means without the movement, one reaches to its destination. So this warm drive and wormhole technique is excellently explained and reflected in the light of glorious Quran, chapter number 27, Surah Naml, verse number 38, 39, 40. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declares, قال يا أيها الملأ أيكم يأتيني بعرشها قبل أن يأتوني مسلمين قال عفريت من الجن أنا آتيك به قبل أن تقوم من مقامك وإني عليه لقوي أمين قال الذي عنده علم من الكتاب أنا آتيك به قبل أن يرتد إليك طرفك فلما رآه مستقرا عنده قال هذا من فضل ربي. Solomon, peace be upon him, said, O my chiefs, who will bring the throne of Queen Bilkis of Sheba before she comes to me, surrendering and submitting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One giant jinn Ifrit said, I'll bring it to you before you leave your place. I am powerful and trustworthy. But the one who was having the knowledge of book, Asib bin Barkhia says, I will bring it within the twinkling of an eye. At this, when Sulaiman saw the throne placed near him, he said, Hada min fadli Rabbi. This is the grace and bounty of my Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.